If I did it, then I would test it, but... When the cop comes back, I'll request it.
Fig, here, Fig, I'll arrest you. What are you testing out? What are you testing out first? Tell me. Okay. Why do you have it set in here? What the hell, Fig? You're not supposed to set jail positions. Who set the jail positions? You're supposed to get a super to do that. Don't just do that. Okay.